Hi, sophomores. Today during mentor time, you will be logging into Zello and completing the lesson and the assignment for careers and lifestyle costs. Once you log into PowerSchool through the URL, not the app, you will log into Zello. You will complete the career and lifestyle cost lesson on the left-hand side by clicking on careers and lifestyle costs. It has a little pig with the coin at the top. This will typically be at the very top where it says get started. I have just already done this program before I showed it to you. So now you can click on the get started. It will walk you through and tell you about what it's going to be like for you to have a career and what kind of cost it's going to have you for the lifestyle that you're wanting to live. So it's going to be able to help you determine, do I want this career? Is it going to align with the kind of life I want to live? And those kinds of things. So you're just putting all the things into perspective of how you want to live your life according to the career that you also would like. Once that's finished, you will have a little green circle with a white check mark. You will then come over to the very top of the assignments list and you will click Careers and Lifestyle Costs January 13th, 2021. When you open that, it's going to have a couple of questions for you. What career choice do you have at this time? And then does your lifestyle choice match the career you would like to have? You're going to answer that question. By turning in, it's going to show to me and it's going to show your mentor that you have completed those. Once that is done, you are done with lesson 2 for the month of January. You would then have 2 of the 4 lessons completed, and that's all you need to have at this time. If you have questions, feel free to ask your mentor, or you can even ask me. So make sure that you do the careers and lifestyle cost and then do the assignment. If you have questions, let me know, and happy Zello time.